And here's man blocked away by Caruso.
Oh, Caruso made it look like a boy. He came back, hustled back, and got that block. Watch this. Man. Oh.
No. Third quarter of great defense tonight. Batum, Caruso read it beautifully. What a read.
Oh, there's 5.
20-14. The Pistons lead Chicago. Caruso with a poke away from Josh Jackson. Went to the floor for it. He does.
He got it knocked loose. He got it knocked loose there, and then was able to.
He's got a lot of time on the bench. Get fresh legs under him because he's going to play a lot for the rest of the night. Bad pass though here. Caruso matched up. Now Bradley gets back on Caruso. Caruso's got a steal.
Cookies.
Oh, Caruso all the way.
Bulls Nation, some encouragement to get other free agents. And these free agents starting to say these things about Bulls songs and one steal. Just got a 360 dunk that ignited the UC. Just keep playing.
Nice play. Vucevic with an 8-3 record. Caruso! The steal! He's got DeRozan with him. Oh, yes! Embiid wanted the foul instead. The breakout. Oh, Caruso denied the pass.
AC said, no, not tonight. There's no showtime here in Chicago. Watch this. AC said, oh, nope, I know exactly what you're doing. I got eyes in the back of my head. I saw John Moran coming on the weak side. He's not dunking out here. Look at him. Yeah, hey, that's nice.
You see the Warriors spread the floor with shooters trying to get Steph Curry a little space to play one-on-one.
How about Caruso twice poking it away from Steph Curry?
Within 5 minutes in the final, within 5 points in the final 5 minutes. Oh, Caruso! Give me that. Harden. Good defense by Caruso, didn't leave his feet. As cool as they come at these spots. Tough shot, no! Tipped alive, and Vucevic has